Good morning, guys. So everybody's out the room. I'm trying to make this video really quick because they waiting for me outside the door. Good morning. This is the next day. Let's not even talk about sleep. Forget about it. But we are now going downstairs to have some breakfast. And I had to come back because I left the room without my shoes. Who does that?
Just needed a little. Can't go fast for goblin. So tiny magi need pause room.
So I was getting on Greg about him and his shoes, and I ain't had no shoes on.
Here. But as Timberstone tribe say, chop chop. But Rex is sleepy.
Reminds me a little bit of Disney. Say good morning, Ma.
Good morning.
It ain't a good morning yet because we need coffee. Oh, they doing yoga. You see them down there? Kids yoga. Damn, they got them. Is he bad?
It looks like color hard. Like I
Oh,
said,
look
yes.
at that.
Yo, I would be so mad if I
If you were standing right there.
Looking at me in the pool, you would be mad. She's already mad. She's already mad.
Gary, look at that.
Look, look, look.
It's your
I don't know.
second floor.
Let me see. I texted to see.
It's right downstairs. I saw it.
Oh, yeah, say second floor and lobby. We know Sharice's gonna find it. Oh, yoga.
Like the rising of the morning sun, over your head to your feet and back to your chest in prayer hands. That entire process is sun salutations. Now let's try it more fluid. It's point, point, push.
Point,
Open
point,
up your
push.
arms, point, and relax. Now you all can have a seat on your mat. The next pose is
Hi, good morning. How you doing? It's 4 of us, 3 adults, 1 child. The room number 4051.
What got its hand?
So you guys, we just had breakfast. I should have showed y'all, but it wasn't nothing crazy. It wasn't nothing major. If it was up to me, we would have went to Mama and Papa Diner, but my husband.
You keep mentioning that.
Because I love Mama and Papa Diners.
You
when I
not
leave
even
the
been
state.
there.
I have been to Mama and Papa. Mind your business. Yes, I have. Right, husband? She don't know what she's talking about. She needs to stay in children's place. Anywho, yes. So, husband's foot is. I ain't want him to pressure himself driving us to, you know. So we just went downstairs.
We're in the
The food was
Poconos.
okay, and one thing they need to upgrade on is they need to have more than pork. Because I'm not understanding. If you want turkey, you could get it like in an omelet or something, but you was sad about it, right? That's how I am, because I gotta have meat with my breakfast.
Yeah.
I gotta have meat
That's
with my
the most
breakfast.
important thing about breakfast. Meat.
Yeah, the protein. What you had? She had nuggets.
Yeah, that's chicken.
So now we're about to go down to the water park. I'm thinking if I should bring my phone.
No.
I think I am, because I could wrap it up in the towel.
For the towels to use? What
I
should
don't-
they say?
Oh, let me check my AI.
You don't want to be on camera, I think.
I am orange, for real.
Orange tomato.
But all my life, they said I look like my auntie Wanda. Right, Ma, didn't they?
Oh.
Come on, let's go. We're going down to the water park. As you can see, I just put my headband on as usual. I don't know what's going on. As usual. Put my clip-ins in, a little bun, a little moño. That's what they call it, right?
No.
A little moño.
No.
Watch out.
Come on, Mom. You got the itis?
Yeah, I got the ice, but I'm going downstairs.
Come on, let's go. She
You
got
know,
no
I get
sleep
no
because
sleep.
your father was
And
snoring.
you had me almost off the bed.
You sleeping with your father.
No.
I'm so upset.
Sorry.
I
No, you're
left.
not.
You see where I went? Y'all, I left them from here
Let's go.
and I pulled this out and I was well comfortable. Because nobody got time for that and all of that. Babe, Gary, I have my phone, so let me know when you're coming down, okay? All right, love you.
Take time to magi go. Dragon's tail. Level up.
I just threw on my Crocs. You know, I'm starting to wonder what these resorts be connected to. Because they into some real sorcery stuff up in here. I'm not. What is, it's supposed to be like a Poconos cabin feel. I don't, Kalahari wasn't given this.
No, it was giving like animals from
Yeah. So we're in here now. See my mother and royalty. Yeah. And I'm gonna take my phone for a little bit just to show you guys. Oh, the wave is gonna come soon.
The waves start coming.
No, it's
Let me get to
warm.
my shirt.
No, royalty, you can't go all the way. Because the wave come is going to be bigger than you. Look at my mother.
This is the best
Upstairs. Oh, it's not. Okay. Don't splash.
That's cool.
But the wave is about to come. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. No, you can't hold on to nothing. Yup. It is. Woo. It's strong.
This wave is no joke. The wave.
She want to walk all the way up there. It have been took her. Mariah, sit down. Huh? Whoa!
Imagine the wave. Mama, imagine the wave coming. Good thing it didn't come. Not that long. I'm a bird. Mama, we kind of we're mermaids, alright? We kind of mermaids.
I'm inside the wave pool. You want me to help you sit in it? Oh, what you got, Royalty?
Cotton candy. The original.
Dippin' Dots.
Original.
Oh wait, so we just had that. Pour lots of water.
So you don't want to get royalty of that?
Oh what?
No, I'm telling her to go royalty.
Oh, we are in the jacuzzi.
It's so warm.
Greg and my mother. Say hi, Mom.
It's just us.
Just the four of us. We can make it if we try.
We made a remix. Well, you actually made a good one because 2 + 2 makes 4.
Yeah, this feels so good. It feels like a warm bubble bath. Well, not bubble bath, but a warm bath. I wanted some sun. What's wrong with these Pitney? So, we just got back from
The pool.
the pool and the water park and all of that.
My eyes were burning.
I'm wearing another Fashion Nova fit. I think it was on sale for like $10.99. Shorts,
Can you tell the story?
crop top.
Can you tell
Wearing a Marc Jacob dupe. It's called Perfecta from TikTok. And this one is Coach Blossom. Summertime, I like to wear a lot of body sprays. A little perfume here and there, but more so body spray. Yeah, see, I normally have my hair in a ponytail, which eventually I probably will put it up. But I'm liking this wet look a little bit. Yeah, let it air dry. Cause this the Becky with the good hair. What Beyonce said. You better call Becky with the good hair.
Mom, let me do it.
Royce made a apple cocktail.
Mama.
How you did it, Royce? She put the apple here. These kids be knowing stuff. My mother's getting herself together. I am hungry.
Mom.
So if I bought sandwich meat and left the bread.
Excuse me.
When right now we could have been fixing up a sandwich and then eat something for dinner.
Excuse me.
Now we gotta eat something for lunch.
Excuse me.
And then eat something for dinner again. What?
No, not really. Like,
Yeah, because we're gonna be hungry. What do you mean?
Can I blow dry your hair?
maybe we should just eat like a slice of pizza or a pizza or something.
That's what I was. I'm sorry. You look like Moana.
Okay. That's good. I look like who?
Moana.
Moana? What song?
I am Moana.
staying down. That's because it's too much. I gotta go get a shaper. Because it be lifting up. It be lifting
I want
up.
pizza from
I wanted
Domino's.
to get a tan, but there was no sun.
Yeah. I got a tan.
Oh yeah, she did. I mean, we got tan. I'm about to show you my boob. You better call Becky with the good hair. So, all right, I gotta make a call real quick. Got me candy pizza,
Watermelon
slice
slice.
of pizza, sneak.
It's a bubbles, I think.
That is Minecraft.
Bubbles.
Oh, shoot. Look at that. Got all kind of candy. We was in here yesterday. What's this? Powder candy. Okay. I do feel like I want a piece of chocolate. I haven't had chocolate in a little bit. I was looking at the thing to see which part is the where to eat something. The directory. You really want the chocolate? Why you do that? Why is you in here breaking chocolate? Who does that? Why you do that, man? Oh, look at the gummies over here. Popsicle, hot dog.
Oh, you can eat these?
It's gummy. Yes, look at the breakfast. A waffle, bacon, and egg.
A lot of people bought this one.
Yeah. I thought this was like the thing she likes, squishy.
Yeah,
I'm like, and I was like, where did he get that? That's cute. Oh. Ignite the light, and let it shine. Just on the night, and the Fourth of July. Oh. In bed now. Don't mind my hair. That's my clippings. We're in bed now. Oh gosh, I'm so exhausted. Tomorrow we go home in the morning. I'm excited about it. I'm just ready to go. I'm definitely gonna give y'all a video of a full review of like the good, the bad, things of that sort. Just a full review on the lodge completely. And if I would come back and all of those things. So you want to stay tuned for that video. Just in case you are looking forward to going to Great Wolf Lodge yourself. At least the one in the Poconos in PA. Yeah, other than that, I'm laying down. Husband got a bed to himself. Royalty. And my mom got a bed to themselves. I got a bed to myself. Because point blank period, my husband snores. I cannot manage it. I need my rest, my beauty rest. So yeah, so tomorrow's the last day. But yeah, going home. And yeah, I try to get as much as possible, but I also try to be like in the moment also. So I got as much as I could, but I'm gonna don't worry, the video should be coming this week on the review of the Wolf Lodge. And if we give it thumbs up, thumbs down, yeah. So right now, I don't know if y'all can hear me, but I hope y'all could. They watching Jurassic Park. And yeah, so I will see y'all back in New York City. And make sure you like, share, subscribe. Make sure you hype this video up, okay? Make sure you turn on your post notifications so when I post, you can pull up, see what I got going on. And yeah, so your girl is about to get her beauty rest. Oh, and make sure y'all comment down below, because I do respond. I tell you that all the time. Comment down. Alright, I love you guys, and I will see y'all in the next video. Also, comment down some places, family friendly, fun places that you guys think I should go to next. Comment down below, let me know, give me the info, and yeah. Your royalty.
Hi. Look.
She's on her.
Yeah.
You love Daddy?
Yeah.
Alright, I love you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.
Here. Because you're wasting it.
My